Every SEO and content marketer already knows that if you want to attract customers to your website, you need to create content. But it's no longer enough to publish 1 or 2 blog posts and hope for the best. You need a lot of content, and it needs to be high quality and well optimized for SEO. Otherwise, it won't rank well on Google. And if it doesn't rank well on Google, well, better luck next time. But creating quality SEO content, you say, that takes so much work. Researching, briefing, outlining, writing, optimizing, refreshing. It's a lot to take on. But that's why we built Phrase, the world's #1 AI content platform. Phrase gives you the tools you need to craft quality SEO content faster. Now, some marketers try to cobble together different marketing apps to help manage this work. But that's slow and expensive and annoying. With Phrase, powerful AI helps you research, write, and optimize your content all in one place. Here's how it works. First, you'll analyze your search competitors. Our AI lets you check at a glance what your competitors are writing about. Browse through outlines or dive deeper by focusing on details like headings, questions, and links. Add research to a content brief or outline with a single click. Next, you'll use our AI writer to help you finish a draft 8 times faster. Choose from dozens of tools that will generate unique, long-form content at the click of a button. Or you can automatically expand upon or rewrite what you already have. And last, you'll optimize your draft so it ranks well right out of the gate. Our text editor grades you on how well your content covers a topic, tells you exactly which topics and keywords are missing, and provides real-time feedback as you fill in the gaps. 20,000 customers from 153 countries can't be wrong. So stop banging your head against your desk trying to create quality content at superhuman scale and let Phrase make content your superpower. Give it a try today at phrase.io.